So this will piss you off. So I just bought this Cherokee the other day, and noticed that the rear hatch wouldn't unlock. It's got power door locks, so I was troubleshooting it today, and this is what I found. So here I am locking it. All right, here I am unlocking it, and now I'm just going to pull it a little bit closer to being closed, and now it won't lock or unlock. So somewhere in here the wiring is screwy or something. Maybe it's a solenoid, I don't know. I suspect though that has something to do with it. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so here I am. I've got the solenoid out of the hatch there. So I talked to the guy who owned this before. He said that this was actually because his third brake light stopped working, and so they went and wired that up outside of the connector. So I went through and I checked the FSM and all these connectors that go through here, and they come in down here. This is C310. On this side it's C311. So C310, C311. As you can see, I've got it unhooked right now, and what I learned was that if you jiggle this, then this pink black connection here is the one that's bad. It's got a break in it, probably right in here somewhere. Right in here. The way we test that is I've got a multimeter here. It's just running a continuity check. So if we just, right, and because the battery is still hooked up, which you probably shouldn't do, you do get continuity. And so that's the black orange wire. You can see over here there's black orange and black pink. So if we go back over here, this is the black orange one. See, it's fine, and I can, well, there we go. And I can wiggle this, and it's fine. But if I go to the other one, and I wiggle, you hear that crackling? So that wire is broken somewhere between, it's, like I said, it's probably in there. So we're gonna fix it. Alright, so what I've done is I've run this green wire up through the grommet hole, up through the hole the other guy made in the grommet, and then up through the top. The other thing I did was I separated the electrical tape and then cut this black pink wire. Now I'm also going to cut the black pink wire in here when I open up the sheathing, and so we're going to connect it from here to here, and I'm going to have this. You can see that bare wire end there with the copper sticking out. Let's see if I autofocus. No, I'm not gonna. Anyway, so normally you would want to cap that to prevent shorts, but since it's going to be not connected to anything on either side, we're not going to have to worry about that. Right, so now we've got I got the connector all back together up here. You can see the green wire run through there. This is where I spliced in. So I cut out the sheath here and up here, and I cut the pink wire here, and then pulled it through the sheath so that I would have some room to work with. And so now we've got it. If you saw the first video, when I pulled it all the way closed, the liftgate wouldn't do anything, but now it locks and unlocks. How cool is that? Moment of truth. So it's locked, or it's unlocked. Ta-da!